Are you wondering whether it's the right time to buy or sell the BOIL ETF? In this video, we'll be taking a deep dive into BOIL. Our initial report was published on our website on Thursday, December 7, 2023, and now we're here to provide you with an even more detailed analysis. Make sure to subscribe, hit the like button, and turn on the notification bell to stay updated on our latest analysis. Don't miss out on any important updates that could potentially impact your investments. Elevate your trading decisions with our newly launched AI stock analysis tool powered by GPT-4 at StockInvest.us. Tap into the power of AI and receive free price predictions and in-depth analysis for any of the 25,000 companies worldwide today. Please note that this video is for informational purposes only and should not be considered financial advice. Since November 6, 2023, our system has identified BOIL as a sell candidate with a score of -4.54. Now, let's dive into the stock's performance during this period. The stock has experienced a significant loss of 49.29%. This means that on average, it has been losing 2.14% per day since it was labeled as a sell candidate. In the short term, the ETF is currently experiencing a wide and falling trend. This presents a potential buying opportunity, especially if the lower trend floor at $29.86 is broken, indicating a stronger fall rate. Looking at the next 3 months, there is a projected -25.54% change in the ETF's performance. This suggests a possible return ranging between -26.35% and 48.76%. Over the next 12 months, the trend indicates a -33.25% change. This translates to a potential return between -100% and 1,132.18%, which corresponds to a price range of $0 to $372 after a year. Our latest update on BOIL brings a stronger technical forecast for the ETF's price after Thursday's trading. There were no changes in the price of the BOIL ETF on the last trading day, Thursday, December 7, 2023. Throughout the day, the ETF experienced a fluctuation of 7.59%, moving from a day low of $29.22 to a day high of $31.44. It's worth noting that the price has fallen in 7 out of the last 10 days, resulting in a decrease of -29.36% during this period. Looking at the past 52 weeks, the highest price recorded for the ETF was $853.80, while the lowest price was $29.22. Currently, the price sits at 96.46% below the 52-week high, which is equivalent to $823.61, and it stands at 98.93% below the all-time high reached on June 8, 2022, when the price peaked at $2,810.01. In this video, we'll be discussing the signals for BOIL, an exchange-traded fund, ETF. Let's start with the buy signal that was issued from a pivot bottom point on Wednesday, December 6, 2023. Since then, the stock has fallen 0%. However, further rise is indicated until a new top pivot has been found. It's important to note that there are also some negative signals which may impact the short-term development. The BOIL ETF currently holds sell signals from both short and long-term moving averages, suggesting a more negative forecast for the stock. Additionally, there is a general sell signal from the relation between the two signals, where the long-term average is above the short-term average. On corrections up, there will be some resistance from the lines at $33.67 and $50.29. If the stock breaks above any of these levels, it will issue buy signals. Furthermore, the 3-month moving average convergence divergence, MACD, is currently indicating a sell signal. It's worth noting that volume fell during the last trading day while the price remained unchanged. This could be an early warning, so it's important to pay attention over the next couple of days. To summarize, BOIL has shown a buy signal from a pivot bottom point, but negative signals from moving averages and MACD suggest caution. Resistance levels at $33.67 and $50.29 should be watched closely. As always, it's important to stay informed and make informed decisions based on the latest market trends. Here are some other signals that you might find interesting. The moving average convergence divergence indicates a sell signal. Pivots showed a buy signal 2 days ago. Bollinger Bands indicated a buy signal 45 days ago. The short-term moving average signaled a sell 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 21 days ago. If we look at the 12-month chart, we can see that the short moving average signaled a sell 24 days ago. The long-term moving average also indicated a sell 24 days ago. The relation between the short and long moving averages showed a buy signal 20 days ago. Remember to visit our page at StockInvest.us if you want to find more signals. Today, let's talk about support, risk, and stop-loss for BOIL. When it comes to support, there is no accumulated volume below today's level for BOIL. This means that if the right conditions are met, the ETF may perform poorly in the next couple of days. Now, let's discuss the risk involved. BOIL is known for its high volatility, meaning it can experience significant price movements in a single day. In fact, the Bollinger Band indicates a very large prediction interval for this ETF, classifying it as very high risk. Taking a closer look at recent data, we can see that BOIL moved $2.22 between its high and low points in the last day, representing a 7.59% change. Over the past week, its average daily volatility has been 8.5%. Today, let's take a closer look at potential day trading levels for BOIL. If we observe an upward trend, the first resistance level for BOIL is at $33.77. If you're yet to own any shares, it might be wise to wait until this level is breached before considering a position. On the other hand, if you're already holding the stock, this could be a level worth considering for swing trading. It's important to note that there isn't significant support from accumulated volume below, indicating the possibility of a sharp drop under certain conditions. Exercise caution and consider making trades only if you're an experienced trader who knows how to navigate such situations. Unfortunately, we have a negative evaluation for this ETF, and it is important to note that no stop-loss has been set for it. Is BOIL ETF a good buy? BOIL ETF currently exhibits several negative signals and is experiencing a wide and downward trend. As a result, we anticipate it will continue to perform weakly in the coming days or weeks. Therefore, we hold a negative evaluation of this ETF. Our analysis has been upgraded since the last evaluation, shifting from a strong sell to a sell candidate. Upon analyzing the volatility and movements of the last trading day, our systems have determined that the current price is undervalued. When trading begins on Friday, December 8th, we anticipate BOIL ETF to open with an increase of $0.0936 and commence trading at $30.28. Before we dive into today's content, let's start with an important reminder. Trading comes with a high risk of losing money. To make informed decisions, it's crucial to consult a financial advisor before buying or selling any securities. Remember, StockInvest.us should not be the sole basis for your investment choices. By utilizing the information provided, you agree to take full responsibility for your own investment decisions. We'd love to hear your opinion on our current view of the stock. Share your thoughts in the comments below. Also, what is your target for the ETF? Let's engage in a discussion. And if you haven't already, make sure to like and subscribe to our channel for more valuable insights. We wish you successful trading and hope you have a beautiful day. Regards from all of us here at Stock Invest.